And so here we are, Halal Stock Hunters portfolio review. As you guys know, we've been maintaining a model portfolio of stocks that we have high conviction in, that we've been trading in and out of for the past few months. And so far today, I want to talk about two that have been on our portfolio for a while. The first one is actually Icon PLC, ICLR. Now, if you guys remember, we had actually gone into Icon PLC on the 28th of July, and we had hit our first take profit. It hit $242. We sold off 50% of our position, and now we've got another 50% just waiting and watching as it goes up. Now, to refresh your memories, we went in at 225. Our first take profit was at 242. So now we're looking at our next TP, take profit 2 at 271. I'm gonna throw it to Adi to show us the charts and our opinion on ICLR. Adi, all yours.
Yes, thank you, Afiq, for doing a review of ICLR. It's really an exciting stock to look at, actually, and I'm glad that we actually entered the stock on the 28th of July. And as you can see on my chart, on the Icon daily chart, right? The fact is that we entered on this particular date, right? On the 27th of July, I've marked it with this blue line here. Okay, first analysis and entry level on 28/7/2021 at 225.20 cents to be exact. And yes, awesome move from here. We saw price actually move up, right? It moved up all the way to the level here at about $250. So that's an easily at $25 upside for us, and that's about 10%. Not too bad, not too shabby, considering that banks are giving about 1%, 1.5% per year, right? So
I think we can't compare to whatever the banks are giving.
Yeah. So at this point here, as you guys can see, I've already marked this slanting line, and these are the levels where you can see that, you know, in the previous weeks, we saw that this has been giving providing resistance, and again, we are seeing some resistance at these levels, right? So, but however, you can see that on the 9 moving average, the price is, the 9 moving average is acting as support here. You can see, right, Afiq, that price actually came here, tested the 9 EMA, and then it pushed up. But this particular candle here, this black candle here, is trying to push it back down. But the last 2 days, we closed with blue candles here, showing that the buyers are still interested in pushing this particular stock up, right? So the good thing is that half of our positions are out in profit, and right now we have put a protective stop at $229 level. So if it comes back down here, then we are out of the trade with some profits, right? With some profits, but we are taking this this chance of, you know, giving our trade to the chance to actually move all the way up towards the next TP at 271. Maybe I will just draw the Fibonacci levels, Afiq, so that, you know, we can have a proper TP level based on Fibonacci, right? So let's put this level here and the lows. All right, so if, let's say, actually, if we are using Fibonacci, Afiq, we can actually position our take profit at 274. But I would prefer to actually take it at our former position at 270, because I feel that if there's going to be a lot more sellers at 274, and, you know, we might as well exit first before they come into the picture to sell their shares at that level.
Sounds good, sounds good, sounds good. So folks, just to review really quickly, Icon PLC, we are still holding on to our half of our portfolio and watching it run. So this is something we'll be monitoring every single day, at least once a day, and we just have a look. Now, I want to look at our next counter in our portfolio. We've actually held on to this particular counter for a while. We bought in on the 5th of May. We bought into Tractor Supply Company, TSCO. And for a bit there, after when we got in, it actually went negative. It didn't hit our stop loss, but it went negative for a while, and it's been consolidating. And now all of a sudden, we're back up to green. So we're suddenly in the green, and I'm thinking to myself, what should we do? Should we, be happy that we've made just a little bit, that's just over 1%, or should we continue holding, looking at the charts? So now let's go back to the charts. Adi, all yours for Tractor Supply Company.
Hey, Afiq, thanks for the intro again. And as you can see, I've marked the chart here, entry on the 5th of May at 193.48. Not exactly the best of places to enter, but it did actually go our way for a couple of days. In fact, we hit a high of about $200 after entering at $193. So we had a bit of profits there. However, it rolled over, just like a donut down the hill. Okay, so and then after that, it hit this support level, which is a former resistance level, as you can see here. All right, so this particular level zone actually became support at around the $170.94. We held on to the stock because we believe that it has the right fundamentals. Basically, it's supplying, making, selling tractors, and tractors are important for especially the agriculture industry. And just like I feel that with the pandemic actually slowly we are more people getting vaccinated, and things are hopefully getting better. I think that this company will actually benefit from the economy is actually opening up, right? So we have right here a nice U-shaped pattern here, and we are at exactly this particular resistance level. However, I feel that Afiq, this particular stock have the potential to move all the way up, because there is not much of a resistance to speak about at those levels just above this resistance, right? So we have one particular area here that might actually prove to be a bit of a resistance here. Okay, we might see price reacting sideways possibly before moving up, right? So I think that we should use the Fibonacci tool as well to guide us if, let's say, this particular stock continues on its impulsive move. So you can see that if I actually draw this Fibo level, okay, and taking this bottom as the 0 level and this high point as 100 level, we have the 1618 Fibonacci level, which is at a $218 level. So if we bought it at 193, and our first target could be actually at the $218 level, and that would have given us about $20, and that's about 10% profits. And our next TP could be somewhere, okay, that at this point here where it coincides with the slanting line, and that's about $244. So you're getting me, Afiq, where to place our TP1 and TP2?
Yep. I'm looking at it right now. Apologize, folks. I'm getting a bit older, so can't really see.
Okay, never mind. Let me just draw the lines here. So the first TP can be here at 218.
218. Okay, TP1 locked in at 218, and TP2 was 244. Because apparently on my phone, when we're using this on my phone, I can actually zoom in, but on my PC I can't. And we're gonna put in the stop loss at one. Is it 185?
Our stop loss, I think. What was the stop loss that you keyed in for previously? I think it should be somewhere below here, around 168.
Was it 168?
Yep. If not, it would have hit, and we should have been out of the trade.
Oh, yeah. You're right. There you go. So stop loss was at 168. There you go. So that's in. So our first TP1 is 218. So let's watch how TSCO moves in the coming weeks. And our first stop loss, our first take profit is at 218.
Yeah. So if you just take away this Fibonacci level and clean up the chart a little, so you can actually see more clearly. I'm helping you, my dear friend. Getting old, yeah.
Yes. You know what else is getting old? Remember I told you about my back injury yesterday? Oh my God, I feel so old. Ugh. Thankfully, if you guys are concerned, it's just a minor muscular strain or pull a muscle. Nothing serious, but it still annoys the crap out of me.
Okay, so we have the TP1 and TP2 level and your stop loss at 168. I think that the risk reward is still good because let me just put this. We entered at this level here. So if this is our stop loss and our TP is high up there, we have a risk reward ratio of 1:2.
Awesome. That looks fantastic. And so we will be monitoring both Icon as well as Tractor Supply Company. I think it's got pretty good prospects in the short to medium term, and especially looking at the charts, I think we can hold on to it and just watch and ride the roller coaster. Right, Adi?
Yes, correct. And just one more thing. I just noticed something. This particular pintail candle here, okay, it's a bullish signal as well. So it marks a higher low, which would mean that this thing is going up. Definitely, I think I am very confident it will push up.
Awesome. So folks, if you like our stuff so far and you enjoy what we are saying, and if you've been following our portfolio and you've been making some good profits, as always, there's always that disclaimer. Please do your own due diligence, have a trading and investing plan before you start doing it. We do this for education and entertainment purposes, and we are trained professionals, and so we've been doing this for a while. And as always, if you love our stuff, like, comment, subscribe. We do this just for you. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja and founder at Halal Investing Network. And this is my good buddy.
I am RD, also the co-founder of Halal Investing Network, with my good friend here, Afiq. Always happy, always positive about the markets and helping you guys out there.
And this is us saying goodbye. See you at our next video.